Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Lavanya and you're watching Techie Talk where you'll get most valuable information always. So in today's video, we are going to see how to become a Salesforce developer. That is, are you planning to start your career as a Salesforce developer but you don't know how to get a job into Salesforce developer profile? And also you're confused whether programming is required to become a Salesforce developer, then I have got with some content today, that is details on how to become a Salesforce developer. And also you can say that roadmap to become a Salesforce developer. So I'll be covering all the details whether programming is required or steps how to become a Salesforce developer in this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And before that, if you are watching Techie Talk for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet to Techie Talk, make sure you subscribe. And also if you have liked this video, give a thumbs up to this video. So with no further delay, let's get into the topic. How to become a Salesforce developer. And also, who are the right candidates to become a Salesforce developer? And what are the prerequisites to learn Salesforce developer? And finally, what is the scope of Salesforce developer jobs? We'll look into these contents one by one now. So now, first let us understand what is Salesforce. So this Salesforce is one of the trending technology in the market right now. So with the help of this Salesforce technology, we can perform scaling like mobile, Gmail space or data storage space, etc. like this. This with the help of this Salesforce technology. We are performing sales and customer relationship. So it is helpful to improve our business. Now coming to the actual thing, how to become a Salesforce developer. What are the skills required to become an Salesforce developer? We'll see it. So to become a Salesforce developer, you have to start the career with the Salesforce Administrator, guys. So if you start your career with this Salesforce Administrator, it is very helpful and it is very easy to become an Salesforce developer. So if you have a strong knowledge or good experience as a Salesforce admin, then it will be very easy for you to become a Salesforce developer. So therefore, I highly recommend you first start your career with Salesforce Administrator. If your long-term goal is to become a Salesforce developer. And also, I recommend you to do some certifications. If you do certifications, you will get high priority compared to the others in the IT market to get the job easily. So therefore, become a Salesforce certified administrator, guys. After having Salesforce admin experience, then you can become a Salesforce developer very easily. So guys, this I am recommending if your long-term goal is to become a Salesforce developer, initially start your career with Salesforce administrator. So if you wanted to become Salesforce developer straight away without Salesforce administrator, then you have to learn these skills. So before I move on to the skills, I will tell you everyone is having a doubt whether to become a Salesforce administrator or Salesforce developer, programming is required or not. I will tell you for Salesforce administrator, programming knowledge or programming is not required. But to become a Salesforce developer, programming knowledge or experience is required. You should know any one of the programming language like Python or Java or C#, C, any one of the programming language is required. You should know any one of the programming language. That too, object-oriented programming language is mandate. So nowadays, to become a Salesforce developer, you should know one backend language, that is nothing but Apex, APEX. It's just like a Java programming language. So if you know any one of the object-oriented programming language previously, then it is very easy to learn Apex. So if you are very strong at this Apex language, then getting Salesforce developer job is very easy. Apart from this backend technology, you should know one front-end technology to become a Salesforce developer, guys. So you have to learn Visualforce. So this Visualforce is just like an HTML or CSS. But for Salesforce developer, it is mandate to learn this Visualforce. So guys, overall, if you wanted to become a Salesforce developer straight away, then you have to know any one of the programming language, that is Apex is recommended, and also a front-end technology like Visualforce is recommended. So this Visualforce will be similar to XML syntax. So this is used to generate the HTML. So that's the reason a front end technology along with a back end technology is required to become a Salesforce developer. In case if you are very good at Java programming or .NET or any other object oriented programming language, then that is also good to have. So you can get job in Salesforce developer with this language knowledge also. But what will happen is they will hire you and train you internally. And finally, one more query language is required for to become an Salesforce developer. Salesforce Object Query Language. It is similar to SQL. It is similar to SQL, guys. Or you can say SQL, that is Structured Query Language. So finally, guys, to become a Salesforce developer, you should know Apex, Visual Force and also SQL. And now coming to who are eligible to become a Salesforce developers are who are qualified with MBA, sales and marketing, and whoever is having experience as a sales manager, and also whoever is working as a cyber CRM or Oracle CRM, customer relationship management. Those people can easily adapt to Salesforce development because they are already having knowledge on sales and customers relationship. Even other technology or other platform guys also can opt, but initially it will be little bit difficult. You have to get knowledge on these technologies before you become a Salesforce developer straight up. But if you have strong experience in customer relationship, then it is very very easy to become a Salesforce developer. So that's all guys. I hope you got some information on how to become a Salesforce developer, roadmap to become a Salesforce developer, and what are the technologies required and who is eligible for to become a Salesforce developer. And I think this information was useful to you if you are looking for similar content. So that's all. I'll end up this video for today, and I hope you have got some good information. If you haven't subscribed yet for our channel, make sure you subscribe and also hit a like to this video. See you with another interesting topic. Until then, bye.